Okay, now we will do the exercises, right? Exercise 3A in page 48. I will do some difficult questions, right? Now, if you go through these questions, you will see the first question they are asking us to find the values without using your calculator. Write down the sign, only the sign, whether it's negative or positive, right? And the second question, now you can use your calculator to 3SF. So that means now when you are going to do, for example, we'll say cot 55 part D. This is question 2 part D, right? Cot 550, they ask him to find it using the calculator. So what you should do is, first you should turn this into a known. Known means the three basic ones. Cot means 1 over tan, 1 over tan 550. So now put this into the calculator. So what you should do is put 1 divide by, you can open this one bracket and press tan, and then 55, right, and again close bracket. That's all. So then it will give the answer. So likewise question 2 is like that, right? I don't have the calculator, so I will leave like this and then you can find. But now we'll check the question 1. It's little interesting. So how we are going to find the sign? Now two things we are using here, right? The first thing is the all STC, and the other one is what I told you, right? 0, 30, 45, right, 60 and 90, right, 90. So these fellows, sine, cos, tan, these things we did, right? So we will leave that also here. 0, 1, tan is 0, 30 is root half, it is half, 45 is 1 over root 2, 60 is root 3 over 2, 1, this one is root 3 over 2, 1 over root 2, half, and cos 90 is 0, tan, this one is root 1 over root 3, 1 over root 3, tan 45 is 1, this is root 3, this one is 90. So these two things you should have in your memory, right? Now I'll do the part B. They are asking the sign cosec 190, right? Cosec 190. So actually this is equal to 1 over sine 190. So 190 means 180 and another 10. So only tan is positive, sine is negative. So therefore you can write this is equal 1 over my negative. So then you can write it is a negative answer, sine, like this, right? And we'll see another one, sec 95, that is part E, sec 95, right? Sec 95 is equal to 1 over cos 95, and you would see 90 comes here 5, so this only sign is positive, so cos, so this is a negative, so this is equal, we can say positive divide by negative, like this. So anyway this is negative, 1 is positive, so then the final answer is negative, right? So that is how you should do that. Now question 2 questions, right? Using your calculator. So surely they will not give angles which are getting involved with 30, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. They will give other values for angles. So those things we have to put it into the calculator, right? So question 2, right? Question 2 using your calculator. So we have here question 2, right? We'll take part C. I will take part C. It says cosec 280, cosec 280. So what you should do is, now cosec means the other one, opposite equals C, if it is C is H, then sine 280. So in your calculator you put 1 divide by, right, sine 280, that's all. Then it will give us, and you, I mean, always remember, you get, I mean, in your this value, of course you might not be able to guess it, but the sign surely you can. So here 280 means 270 here, 270 here, and another 10 degrees. So surely the sign value should be negative, and 1 over sign value also negative. So get ready, you should get a negative answer. If it's not coming, that means you have done a mistake, right? So part C. And another interesting thing is there, this radian, right, radian. Okay, so we will see how we are going to do this. They are asking now part F, question 2 part F, question 2 part F. They are asking us to find sec 2.4 radian, right? Sec 2.4 radian. Now it is not a degree, so there's another way you can change the mode to radian in the calculator, or simply we can use this. We know pi is, right, now 2 pi is equal to 360, and also we know pi is equal to 180. So that means now this is radians and this is degrees. Those also I explained in the beginning, right, everything in detail. So here then pi divided by pi, right, radian equal 180 divided by pi. So 1 radian, right, so 1 radian is equal 180 divided by pi, right, divide by pi. That also you can remember, right? So 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi, right? If you use this equation, now here 2.4, then we can write sec 2.4 into 180 over pi degrees. Then it is sec, right? Then we have to turn that into our normal, I mean basic one. Then 1 over cos, right? No need to calculate, I mean calculate and put it straight away. You can put it in the calculator. 2.4 into 180 over pi, this you can put it in the calculator. So what you should do is press 1, divide by, open bracket, cos, and it will give another one, right? Then 2.4 into 180 divide by, you write put the pi sign, don't put 3.14, better, I mean 100, use the value in the calculator, close bracket, and get it. So then you will get an answer for this, right? The second question. So you, as other remaining questions of second, you can do the same. Now we come here. Now here these things, question 2, you have to leave it as 3 significant figures, because it is not an exact answer. But now in this case they are asking us to find, now question 3 they are asking us to find the exact value as an integer or a fraction or a third, each of the following. So surely those answers are getting involved with this angle. So here 0 we can leave at 0, 30 we can say pi over 6, 45 means pi over pi over 4, pi over 4, and 60 means pi over 3, and this is pi over 2, right? So I mean surely this pi over, these values or these degrees are getting involved. Now I'll do several of those, right? And question 3, we will see what I can do here. Question 3 they are asking, I mean first one, yeah, that's the easy one. We'll say sec 180, right? Now it is going to be interesting. Sec 180, part E, sec 180, right? That we can do like this. We can turn into, this is 1 over, right, cos 100 and cos 180. And another thing, the other equations also, what you should remember is, right, cos, you can't see here, so cos, I mean sine cos tan, right, we'll say sine cos tan of 180, right, 180 minus theta is equal to what you should remember. So if you take sine cos tan, 180 plus theta is equal to what? Those equations also I have given and I have explained those in detail, taking a lot of time, right? So remember that. We will take it from here. So here cos 180, right? So we can write that as 1 over cos 180 plus 0, that is so then it comes to the form of 180 plus theta. We'll take the plus theta minus theta plus theta, right? So cos 180 plus, he comes here, he goes here, 180 plus, we can say minus also, whatever, right? Minus also you can take. So whatever it comes to this or this, then it is negative. Cos values are negative here, and cos 0. So here we get, right, negative cos 0, and that is cos 0. From this table we know it is 1. Then we get 1 over minus 1, that is equal minus 1, right? Okay, so I'll try another one. It says part this was part ABC. Sorry, this was part C, right? Part C. I will do now. Here we have another wonderful thing, cosec 210, right? H I will do. It's going to be difficult. H, right? H. So H, they are asking cosec 210, cosec minus 210 degrees. They are asking that answer. So we can do like this, right? We can do like this, right? First of all, we will turn this into a known form, right? Known form, and it will be sine minus 210. So actually now here this is like this 180. I hope you can remember, right? Sine cos tan minus theta, right? Minus theta. So and plus theta is minus theta. Actually only the C is getting positive value, others are negative. So here minus sine theta and cos theta, right? Cos theta and tan theta, minus tan theta. And children, these details I have taken huge amount of periods and explained, right? Surely I know you all can't remember, but please, it is your job. Now even when you find these things are uncomfortable, you should memorize this, right? And even memorizing, my suggestion is memorizing leads to a lot of trouble. When you are memorizing, slightly remember the method also, how these things are coming. Those things I explained in detail, right? Detail these things. So here in this case, this is like a minus theta. This can be any, actually this, another thing I told, all these equations, although we are proving these for acute angles, this works for any other reflex angles or whatever, and I showed those examples also, right? So here the answer is 1 over minus. So if it is minus, it is negative, right? Negative 200 sine 210, right? Now actually the most of the trouble is gone, and this fellow we can write as 1 over, again minus is already there, sine 180 plus 30, 180 plus 30. Then we come to this situation, sine 180 plus 30, so it is negative value. So then this comes to, I will write it here, 1 over minus, and bracket I will open. So inside this you will get minus sine 30, minus sine 30. And sine minus minus is positive. Sine 30, we know it's what 30 ko 30 is half. So 1 over half positive. Then the final answer is 2. So it is an exact value. Right. So actually this question is enough to tackle others also. Maybe another one I will do and finish the question 3, and then I will do the 4, 5, 6 and the challenge, and we'll move on to 3.2. Right. Then question 3 will take this one, cot J, part J. Question 3 part J. Question, this is not writing. Right, question 3 part J, it says cot 3 pi 3 cot 4 pi over 3 4 pi over 3. Right, so since these are all what exact values, somehow we have to relate into this. So in this case we can find cot. First of all, we'll turn this into tan 1 over tan pi plus pi over 3. We will see here 3 and 4. Then it comes to this 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta is tan is positive. So we get 1 over, right, positive tan pi over 3. And tan pi over 3 is tan pi over 3. That means 60. Tan pi over 3 is root 3. So here we get 1 over root 3. So it is an exact value. Then you can stop. Right. Question 4 we will try to do. Now you all can now I'm going to do the question 4, 5, 6 also and the challenge. Actually before that you all can attempt those. Now exercise 3A, the remaining questions you all can do, and after that attempt 4, 5, 6 without looking at this video, and then if you get stuck you can look into this, right? So the question 4 we will try. Question 4. Question 4, it says prove, right, prove that cosec. So question 4, prove that cosec pi over pi minus x is equivalent to, right, cosec x. So here I will do like this. I will take the LHS, right? So that is equal cosec pi minus x, right? And that is equal 1 over sine pi minus x, right? And then I will write, so here in our equation pi minus x, it comes to sine. So we can write here 1 over sine x, and the reason I will write sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So that is the reason I wrote this one. Then we know 1 over sine is cosec, so that is equal to cosec x. So that is equal to RHS, right? So that's one. Now we'll see question 5. Question 5. At question 5 it says prove that, right? Question 5 it says prove that show that cot 30 and sec 30 is equal to 2. Right, so again I will take the LHS, right? LHS, left hand side equal to cot 30 and sec 30. So this is equal, cot we know 1 over tan 30 into 1 over cos 30, right? And then tan 30 is 1 over sin 30 divided by, right, cos 30, that is obvious, sin theta over cos theta into 1 over cos 30, and here cos 30 goes up, so here we get cos 30 over sin 30 into 1 over cos 30. Then this fellow get cancelled out. 1 over sin 30, actually sin 30 is half. From this table sin 30 is half, so that is equal 1 over 2, so that is equal to, and it is equal to RHS, right? Sixth question. Right, sixth question, it says show that cosec 2 pi over cosec 2, this equation, show that this is in the form of this, right? This is sixth question, and find a and b are real, right? So they are asking us to find cosec 2 pi over 3 plus sec 2 pi over 3, right? 2 pi over 3 equal a plus b root 3, right? So we'll do the LHS is equal to, right, cosec means we will write here 1 over sin 2 pi over 3 into 1 over plus 1 over cos 2 pi over 3, you see, right? So here sin 2 pi over 3 we can write pi plus in this form, so that is equal 1 over sin pi plus pi over 3, no, it's wrong, pi, right, pi minus pi over 3, then 3 pi, yeah, 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi, so this becomes, right, 1 over again cos pi minus pi over 3, and now using these equations, sin becomes positive, so here we get, right, 1 over positive sin pi over 3 plus cos pi minus comes to this quarter, so it is negative, so we can say 1 over negative cos pi over 3. Now we know sin pi over 3 is root 3 over 2, so this is equal 1 over root 3 over 2, right, minus, this minus comes here, pi over 3, right, pi over 3 is half cos, so minus 1 over half, then we get here 2 over root 3 minus 2. Now actually we have to rationalize the denominator, right? So we'll bring this into the like this, minus 2 is the root 3, okay, I will put this in a red color so you would see. I'm going to turn this from here, I will come here, right? So now because I see a constant, I'm going to put the minus 2 there and plus, right, 2 over root 3. So denominator and the numerator I'm going to multiply by root 3 then you will get minus 2 plus, right, plus 2 root 3 over 3. So when you multiply by root 3, I'm going, because I don't have space, I'm going to root 3 becomes 3. 2 and denominator this one comes. So actually this is the B, right? So this is the B and this is the A. So I can leave here, right? Therefore I can write this is equal to A plus B root 3 within brackets. A is equal to minus 2 and minus 2 and B is equal to 2 over 3. I will check the book's answer whether I did it correctly. I will check it. I will pause the video. Yes, it is correct. I checked the book's answer. So A is going to be minus 2 and B is going to be 2 over 3. This exercise is all right. Again, page 43, 48. So I did the 6th question also, and challenge question I went through this. It is a very easy one, but I will do it, right? But I will do it. So now I will do the challenge. It is page 49. Page 49, challenge. So what is the challenge is they have given a circle and a diagram, and theta is going to be acute. The point radius makes this one, axis tangent, show that OB. So this is very easy, right? So we have a Cartesian plane and we have a circle. So all the, the radius is 1. These fellows are all 1 radius, right? This one is 1, and we have a tangent. So we'll make the I will first put the tangent. 30. If we put a tangent, will go like this, right? Theta. Then the tangent will go from here. So tangent means this is going to be 90. And this is going to be 1 and this is going to be theta. So that is what they have given. Theta angle 1, and the letters they have given AB. This is X, this is Y, this point is A, this point is B, and this point is P, right? And O, our origin O. So what we have to show is OB is equal to sec theta. Part A, OB is equal to sec theta, right? First of all, now we have to prove this. So anyway, sec theta is going to get involved, right? Sec theta is going to get involved. That means if we find cos theta, we will be able to sort this out. How is the OB? We'll do like this. Anyway, sec cos. So if you take this, right, this is the if you take this, I will pause the video for a while, right? So using OPB triangle, right, using OPB right angle triangle, we can write, right, we can write cos theta, right? Cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So that is adjacent. Now if you take this triangle, adjacent is 1 over, right, 90, opposite 90 degrees is OB, right? So 1 over OB, then OB is equal to 1 over cos theta. So that is equal to sec theta, right? Okay, so part A is all right. Right, now we'll see whether we can do part B. Part B, they are asking OA, and here I see another, right? Another 90 degrees is there, and here 90 minus theta, here 90 minus theta, and here we will have theta, right? So we can say from OAP, first of all we will write what to prove. Part B, they are asking us to prove OA is equal to cosec theta, right? Now surely sine is going to get involved. If we take sine, opposite is 1 and the hypotenuse, okay, opposite is 1, hypotenuse is this OA, then okay, so we will write from OAP, right angle triangle, right, sine theta, right? Sine theta is, now since you have marked this theta, you can straight away you can is opposite over hypotenuse, that is opposite is 1, hypotenuse is OA, right? OA, you can't see it, right? OA, then from here we get sine theta is equal to 1 over OA, right? 1 OA, then that means cross multiply. OA is equal to 1 over sine theta, that is cosec theta. Sorry, you couldn't see that, right? So I will write it here again. After that you can write sine theta, right? You cross multiply and OA and this, sorry, OA is equal to 1 over sine theta, you can write, cross multiply. Then actually OA is cosec theta, OA, right? So the final one is AP is cot theta. I will erase this and do, otherwise I don't have space. Cot theta. So to get, so this is part C. Cot theta is equal to, sorry, AP, they are asking us to prove AP is equal to cot theta. So we will try to see how AP. So again we will take this triangle, right? This triangle, and AP is getting involved. So here OP, right? We will first write from here cot theta. Cot theta is equal from this triangle. So we will say using OPB triangle. Using OPB right angle triangle, we'll do like this. Right angle triangle, we can write cot theta is equal to, actually you can say opposite over adjacent, මොකක්ද අපි කියන්නේ, තව එකක් තියෙනවා මේ, there's an easy one, cot theta you can write like we will do like this. Without using this triangle, we will use part A and part B. එක අරගෙන බලමු. නෑ ඊට cot theta. So cot theta is equal to, we'll say 1 over tan theta, and that is equal, here we'll say opposite over adjacent, right? So we can say adjacent over opposite, right? That is actually cot theta. Then what is going to be the adjacent of this one, OP, right? OP, and what is going to be the not hypotenuse, OP and BP. Right, children, I will pause this video, right? I'm a little tired also, then I will put the solution and explain, right? I have to drink some water and then I'll put it this, because I'm a little out of focus now. Right, so what I did was I took this right angle triangle, so OAP right angle triangle. From that I wrote cot theta. So here we know it's theta. Cot theta is 1 over tan theta. Tan theta is opposite to adjacent. and 1 over this fellow is adjacent, no opposite. So if you take theta, his adjacent is AP, his adjacent is AP, and his opposite is OP. Right now the trick is OP is the radius, it is 1. So AP, so this is equal AP over 1, that is equal AP. So we get, right, we get cot theta is AP. So therefore cot theta is equal to AP. Right, so see this. Right, now the actually now this 3.1 section is over. Now next what we have to start is the graphs, right? Still I have not decided whether I'm going to start that today. Maybe I will take a small break and I will introduce the graphs, and later on I will put another video, right? Okay, so we'll stop from here, and I'll put another video. I mean, I will attach another video to this. I will think maybe another 15 minutes time I will think and do. Otherwise, we will put that lesson on to another day. We'll see.